Hi everyone, I would like to talk to you about what's called sets and some symbols that go along with that. Sets are a grouping of things. Let's look at our tree over here and the branches. We have a branch A that contains a set of birds that happen to be a red bird and two green birds. These are called the elements of our set. And let's look at branch B. We have two blue birds and a green bird. These are elements of set B. Okay, now here comes our first symbol. It's called intersection, and it's like an upside down U. It's asking, what are all the birds in common between branch A and B? Or which birds are on both branches A and B? And that happens to be all of the green birds. Now, here comes our next symbol. It's called union, represented by a U. Okay, now it's asking, what are all the birds that are on branch A or branch B? That represents all the birds from all the branches. And see, they're all fluttering down here, and so they're all resting on our bottom branch. This is A union B. Oh, I hear it's chopping. Ah, our tree is falling over. There goes our birds. I hope they're all right. Now, let's look at two sets here that contain numbers. And notice that they have what's called braces at the end, and each of the numbers are separated by a comma. A union B is asking, what are all the numbers that are in A or B? And that's all the numbers, all the birds. And here's a fancy way of saying it. It's that A union B equals the set of all x's such that x is an element of A or x is an element of B. That little E shape there represents element. Now, let's keep our same sets A and B, and let's look at intersection, which should be coming up here. There's our two sets. They're the same numbers. Now, A intersect B is asking, what numbers are in A and B? And if you look, they both sets here contain a 2 and a 4. And here's a fancy way of saying it. A intersect B equals the set of all x's such that x is an element of A and x is element of B. See, this word and or are important words connected with union and intersection. Now, here is two sets, and let's take the union. Well, what are numbers that are in both A or B? And that's all the numbers. But now look, they have nothing, no numbers in common when you intersect. So this is called the empty set, represented by a 0 with a line through it. Well, thanks.